Hari Om. So, guys, my dear students, the next sutra of Patanjali Yoga Sutra 33rd, 33. मैत्री करुणा मुदितोपेक्षानाम सुख दुख पुण्य पुण्य विषयानाम भावना चित्त prasadhanam. By harboring the feelings of friendliness or mercy or happiness or indifference towards critics or adversaries, the mind becomes clean. Attachments, annoyance, envy, infatuation, jealousy, hatred are the dirt of the mind. राग रोग ईर्षा मद मोह राग रोग ईर्षा मद मोह जनी सपने हो इनके वश हो. Attachment with anything is rag. The habit of finding fault with others is asuya. The Maharshi suggests to have the feeling of friendliness towards those who are happy persons for expelling the dirt from mind. In Bhagavad Gita says that persons detached from worldly objects are blessed with the spiritual bliss. Such a person enjoys the everlasting bliss born to the communion with God. Who is blessed with such a bliss? He who is detached from the worldly objects and worldly pleasure should be loved because it is helpful for sadhana. Such persons are persons who enjoy the eternal bliss of communion with God. Who can enjoy such a bliss? It is who is detached from enjoyment of external objects. By remaining friendly with such blissful persons, the devotee gets help in sadhana. In the eyes of every enlightened person, there is only one kind of delight which issues from the devotion of God. It is mentioned in the Ramcharitmanas. You can see, Shruti Puran sab granth kahahi, Raghupati bhakti bina sukh nahi. And another, you can see, Himte anal pragat varu hoi, vimukh ram sukh pao na koi. So, by the feeling of friendliness towards devout persons, sublimation of mind becomes easier because whatever one gets from their company, that is result of their sadhana. Sadhana. Okay. So similarly, there should be feeling of kindness or mercy for those who are stuck in worldliness and hence are in distress. One should not hate them. Daya bin sant kasai, daya kari to afatai. Sita, out of kindness, gave alms to Ravan. So she had to go to Lanka. Display of kindness is meant for a devotee who has attained some spiritual state. Before this state, he is ordained to remain engaged in continuous contemplation. A saint by nature is kind. Devotees should have the feeling of compassion for those who are in woe. there is a difference between simple feeling of compassion and prompt readiness to remove the grief. One should act according to the directions of the East, means adored God. The devotee must feel delighted in the company of virtue person. In the Gita, Punya karma is nothing but the prescribed technique. One should feel elated in the company of him who performs niyat karma and think how God is graceful to him. So, my dear students, you are listening very wonderfully. So, keep in mind and light insight. He should appreciate that his technique was the real technique. So, one should draw inspiration from him but should never imitate him or find fault with him. If perchance evil person or fallen being come in contact, one should be indifferent to their positive as well as negative qualities. It is said, उदासीन नित रही गोसाई, खल परी हरि स्वान किनाई. Means don't abandon him. Be non-involved. Nobody is bad. Circumstances makes him so. Don't receive anything from him. Such a thinking cleanses the mind. Other ways also have been suggested for the cleansing of mind. So that we'll discuss in the next sutra of Maharshi Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Hari Om.